Hey, welcome to PB&J Farms. I'm Papa Bryan. This is taking care of cucumbers in 1 minute. All right, what we've got is we've got this cucumber growing up on a single leader, and what you're gonna get is that flower is where the bees come in, and they'll pollinate that flower, and then that's where you'll have a cucumber develop. You'll also have a leaf. You'll have your little vine here that clings to there. Then you're gonna wanna take that off right there, okay? This is your sucker. So wherever you find these suckers, you're gonna wanna take off that sucker. You've got a flower, you've got a leaf, take off the sucker. We've got the flower, the leaf, take off the sucker. That way you'll be producing more fruit and less foliage. Keep checking us out at PB&J Farms. Thank you. Foliage.
Foliage.
Foliage.